Hi guys, I am Gokul. In this video, I share my feedback among the Zebronics Action 50 Bluetooth speaker. It is a TWS Bluetooth speaker. You can able to use two speakers in simultaneously using the TWS function. I have purchased this one for 999 in Amazon. This speaker available in three different colors: red, blue, black. I have attached the link in description for the separate colors. I am using this product for past 2 weeks. The performance is good, but there is a slight low in audio. The call function, pen drive, SD card, FM is alright, no issues, but the sound quality or the sound effect is little bit low. The bass is comparatively high. Now I am unboxing this product. Myself, I am Gokul, pursuing triple E in electronics department. The product is pretty good. This device is in on condition because now itself I am using this product. Yeah, this is the first look of this product. The power is on, there is no issues. Now I am kept the speaker around. What is the accessories given by the speaker or brand is an aux piece, an aux pin is given. It's around 40 centimeter like that. Also a charging cable is also given. It's around also 40 centimeter. I am using this for past 2 days. Where what did I find means this is a portable comfortable speaker, but it is an indoor speaker. This is not a outdoor speaker. You can able to use inside your home. It's a good one. Outside your home it's not a good one because the sound is very low comparatively inside the room. This consists of two 8-watt speaker. Here 8-watt speaker, then here left right 8 watts plus 8 watts, totally it's a 16-watt speaker. A dual bass radiator is present here for the vibration or bass like that. You can able to charge it with normal USB type charger for 4 hours it take to complete, and then you can able to play it for 8 hours for a playback time at a 70% of volume. You can able to I prefer that you can able to connect it with Bluetooth. It's a right one to use this speaker, because even a memory card or a pen drive, if you injected means by rolling the speaker there is some damage for pen drive. That's why you can able to use your mobile to pair with this Bluetooth speaker. You can able to hear that one. Okay, the FM is also good, there is no issues. Now I'm trying to connect it with my mobile and play some songs to test the bass. Now I am connecting with my mobile.
Zeb Action 50 is now connected.
Zeb Action 50 is now connected. You can able to view the percentage of charge in my mobile by going to the Bluetooth setting. You can able to watch the percentage of your battery in the speaker. I think you need to charge it with fast charging charger or micro USB charger. You can able to wait for 4 hours to get fully charged by glowing the red color in the charging port, the symbol for charging. After the LED glow, well, after the fall of LED, you consider that the battery is fully charged. Wow, amazing. Guys, the RMS sound, like the surrounding is very good in this speaker. There is no eruption or slightly any irregular sound. There is a perfect sound, but the volume is low. It's the only concept. Now I am playing this song. You can able to play it or pause it or changing by using the button present in the top of the push buttons present in the speaker. There is an LED. You can able to use it on night time. You can able to view the LED, you view the power button, mode button and control buttons, etc. Here is some buttons given. This is one for power button, the next one for mode button. You can able to change the mode from Bluetooth, aux or FM like that. Then there is a minus button available here. Then just click, you can able to change the previous song. If you press that, the volume will be decreased. By pressing the positive button present here, you can able to change the next song. By clicking the positive button, you can able to change the next song. By pressing the positive button, you can able to increase the volume of the speaker. Then there is a TWS function is here, so there is a button to connect the TWS. By purchasing this type of speaker of dual, you can able to connect it with a stereo type 16 watts. Totally you get 32 watts of output from this type of speakers. You can able to purchase it on Amazon. I have attached the link in description. Then the final button is to pause and play the song, then attend the call, then end the call, then reject the call. You can able to redial by pressing the long press of that button. You can able to call the Google Assistant by clicking the TWS function mode by pressing the TWS mode function. By clicking the TWS button, here itself I shown that what are the buttons used to control this type of Bluetooth speaker. Now I am going to play some speaker. Now I am play again the speaker. Guys, excellent bass, there is no issues. In the side there is an passive radiator is present for the bass, so you can able to get a clear bass from that. Backside of this speaker, you can visible to see the pen drive port, memory card port, then aux, like that you can able to connect it with an external device. Now I am playing the FM to detect some channels in Kodaikanal, like that. Now I am changing the mode, FM mode. Now FM mode is playing. Now I just connect the charging cable. It works like an antenna. Only you can able to hear. Yeah, now it's playing good, no issues. Yeah, done. Guys, here different type of channel available around me. You can able to easily
Bluetooth mode. Zeb Action 50 is now connected.
Guys, you can able to easily connect with the FM by using this type of charging cable. If you need to extend this cable, use a normal charging cable to extend it. You can able to charge it with wire. You can able to charge this type of Bluetooth speaker with your regular charger, no issues. Okay guys, now I tested the FM from the speaker. Now I am make some call to test this call function, because there is an because here a mic is present. So I call my friend and check whether this mic is quality or not. Now I am calling my friend. You can able to fix like this by dual speaker.
மற்றும் ஒன்பதை அழுத்தி Wink Music ஆப்பை இன்ஸ்டால் செய்யவும்.
Hi Tamil.
சொல்லுங்க.
Tamil, could you please hear me? My voice, because I have purchased
I can hear you.
Yeah, I have purchased recently a Bluetooth speaker around 1,000 rupees. There is a call function of it. Yeah, correct. There is a mic present in the speaker. It can able to support the call function. So I just make a call to you to check this speaker whether it's a right one or to buy this one.
It's audible. It's audible, Gokul.
Yeah, clearly.
Hearing quality.
Yeah. Hearing quality is enough.
Sound quality good.
Okay.
No interruption.
Okay. Thank you, Tamil. Thank you for your info.
Okay.
Yeah. Guys, I have tested this one with my colleague to hear this type of speaker by using this mic. It is enough to hear like that. There is a clear type of hearing like one. Okay guys, thank you. I have tested this one with my colleague. He said that it's a worth one to buy. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe and press the bell icon for instant notifications. To buy this type of speaker, you can able to check the link in description. I have attached three type of colors. One is red, black, blue, like that. You can able to purchase what you want. If you have any doubt among this speaker, kindly leave a comment. I will check it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Peace out.